be or anything. If you be the one to take me home. Cause right now everything makes me wanna leave this place and roam.
I'm shooting this intro for the like billionth time, honestly, because that lip gloss is again on my teeth. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ritika here, and today's video is going to be about this look, which is the black matte smoky eye look with a hint of lip gloss, which is all over the place again, like for the millionth time again. Okay, so let's not talk anymore and jump straight in the video. Okay, let's start with the dry oil, the cellular dry oil by Calabar, and I'm gonna put it all over my face. Okay, so first I'm gonna like warm up the product and I'm just gonna like stick on my face. I'm not gonna drag or something like that. I'm just gonna like push the product in my skin. Okay, for the primer, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer, and it's a pore filling blurring primer, but it's not silicone based. It's like this pinkish in color, and it's a very beautiful primer. I really like the primer. I'm actually I'm like enjoying this primer. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Okay, now for the foundation, this Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Vanilla, and it's a satin finish foundation, and it's medium sheer to medium coverage. And right now I know I require like a full coverage foundation, but I'm just gonna like cover the spots with my concealer. I'm just gonna like, I've taken like a pump or less than a pump because I don't like too much of foundation. I don't like foundation in general. So, okay, now to blend my foundation, I'm using this beauty blender from the drugstore company. I'm just gonna blend the foundation in. Okay, now for my under eye concealing, I'm gonna use this sugar concealer. It's in the shade 12, and it's a bit yellow, but it's a very like skin like concealer. Now to blend my concealer, I'm using this Zoeva concealer brush.
Makes me wanna leave this place and roam.
As you can see, this concealer is way too yellow, like extreme yellow, but it's a very natural looking concealer. Like it's the dupe. This sugar concealer is exact dupe of Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. Like I own that one also, and it's the exact dupe of it. Now for spot correcting, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty concealer. It's in the shade 03, and I'm going to take it on the back of my hand because it's not legal to apply directly from the wand to the spots, because of course the concealer will get the bacteria and it's not good. So I'm just going to like apply it with my brush. Now for my under eye powder, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 Light, and I'm going to use this powder because it's a coverage powder. Like it has some coverage, so it's a tinted powder, so it has some coverage, so it will like cover up my dark circles more. I'm just gonna like put it here, then here, and I'm gonna like put this powder on my spots also, the places where I've already concealed. Okay, now to set my whole face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose, not loose powder, compact powder in the shade 220, and I'm going to use this a flat top brush from Miniso, and this is how the brush looks. I'm just going to like.
Don't you think we're done?
Okay, so in my previous video, I missed out on some products which I bought from the sale. So I'm gonna like cover it up here in this video. So I'm gonna use like the sugar concealer I missed out last time, and I'm sorry for that. And the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer and this Hoola bronzer. I missed this bronzer in like both of my videos, even in the haul and as well as in the video I shot. Okay, so moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna apply the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. Okay, so we are gonna do a matte smoky eye today, and I'm gonna start off with this sugar eye pencil. It's in the shade 01 black, back to black, and I'm just gonna like tight line it on my upper lid. So let me tell you about this pencil. This pencil is basically for your eyeshadow thingy. Like it's very like smudgeable. Yeah, so it's basically for your eyeshadow stuff. Now to smudge that pencil, I'm gonna use this brush. It's a flat top brush from Zoeva. It's their smoky smudger brush. And I'm going to use the same pencil on my to tight line my upper lash line as well as my lower lash line. Smudging it again with this brush. It's from Wet n Wild. It's their P10 brush. And it's okay if everything looks like super duper ugly at the beginning, because eventually at the end everything will make sense, because of course it's a smoky eye, and smoky eye, it's a process of looking ugly to beautiful when you create a smoky eye. So just like be dirty and be just like whatever you want to do. Okay, now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Tan Beauty. This is All I Need eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the same Zoeva flat top brush, and I'm taking this shade. The shade name is Coal, and it's a very black shade. So first I'm going to like dust off the excess, and I'm going to like set the Coal pencil with this eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm gonna take the mix of these two shades, like the Workaholic one and the Power one, yeah, on my Wet n Wild P15 brush, and I'm gonna blend the edges, blend the edges, edge of this eyeshadow. Now take any of your clean fluffy brush like this, a dense fluffy brush. It's from ProArt. It's the PE22 brush, and a clean brush, and just blend everything out so it looks like cohesive, seamless, and nice. Don't you think we're done? Okay, so now I'm gonna do my other eye off the camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so our smoky eye is all cooked up already, all smoked. So if you want to add, you can add a white or a silverish inner corner highlight, but I don't like it, so I'm not gonna add it. Now moving on to the eyebrows, I'm gonna use this sugar pencil in the shade 04 Felix Onyx, and I'm gonna fill my eyebrows with it. Don't you think we're done? I'm just gonna brush it up. And in my last video, my eyebrows look so freaking sad, so I'm just gonna not make that mistake once again. I'm gonna like set them this time. To set my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's a transparent brow setting gel. So I'm just gonna like push the hair up, and I'm gonna make it look little freak like. Okay, now moving on to our eyelashes. As I told you, I don't like the Kalaba eyelash color, so I bought a new one. It's from Gub, and it's in like a rose gold shade color. It's in the rose gold color, and it's a very good eyelash color. Like if you are looking for a affordable eyelash color now, get this one. Now for my mascara, I'm gonna use this one. It's the L'Oreal Million Lash Black Mascara. Okay, now for the bronzer, I'm gonna use this Hoola bronzer. It's the mini version of Hoola bronzer. I got the set in which I got a penitent as well as the bronzer. I'm gonna use the brush which is given with this bronzer because it's a good brush. So I'm just gonna like bronze up my face. Oh my god, this is
Don't you think we're done?
Okay, now I'm gonna use this blush. It's from Miss Clear and it's a very beautiful blush. It's in the shade 14, and I'm gonna use this brush, which is the Zoeva cheek brush, like the blush brush in specific. And it's a very pigmented blush, so be careful with it. I'm just gonna like apply over here, like on the top. Right now I look like a clown, I know that. Like apply very prominently. Then I'm gonna blend out with this brush, the brush which I used for like my compact and stuff. So I'm just gonna blend it with that brush. Now for the highlighter, I'm gonna use this K Beauty highlighter. It's in the shade Champagne Fizz, and I'm gonna use the fluffy blush. I'm gonna use the fluffy brush, which is the Pro Art P23 brush, which I use for like blending out everything. So this blush works like universally.
Don't you think we're done?
So our lips are gonna be interesting today because it's gonna be glossy, a glossy nude lip, because it will go with the smoky matte eye very beautifully. So I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution lipstick. I don't know if it's a lipstick or it's something else, but it's in the shade Truth, and I'm gonna like lightly apply this like on the center. It's a very beautiful nude shade. I'm just gonna apply like only this much. Then I'm gonna like smudge it all over my lip. As you can see, it looks beautiful and glossy already. Now to top off more gloss, I'm gonna use this Nykaa lip gloss. It's in the shade 01 Honey Boo, and I'm gonna like lightly apply it too, like on the center, in the center. I'm in love with this lip combo. Okay, now to set my whole face, I'm gonna use this MAC Rose Fix Plus. I don't know if it's in the shade or something, so I'm just gonna. Okay, so that MAC Fix Plus was so freaking aggressive, like it straight up blown to my eye and it ruined my makeup a bit, the eye makeup a bit, but it's okay, it's all done now. So this is the makeup look, and the one thing I love the most about this is the lip and eyes. Of course, I love this lip pair. It looks beautiful, it looks eye catching. Okay, so that's it for today, and I hope you like it, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.